Okay, we're back to the 57 Ford, and I've got the front fenders on it now. I've got the grill, the whole front end. I got the braces for the bumper, and I'm getting ready to put them in. I'll put the headlights in this evening, have that done, and then that'll allow me to wire the front end on it. And I got the turn signals to put on. The front bumper is laying over here, and the guy, Buddy, when he built the car, they cut this bumper down, and I think they cut it someplace in here. You really can't see where they cut it out here on the edge, and they turned this in where it fits tight around the front end. So that's the next project. The other thing is, you see the color of this car, does that show up in this meal?
It does, yes, sir.
Okay. Well, when I went down and ordered the paint, I wanted a color that's called Wimbledon White. And the guy screwed up and put too much green in the Wimbledon White. Well, it turns out to look to me like a mint green. But I've had a bunch of people like it, and I've had a couple that didn't like it, but you can never tell about people telling you they like it and they don't want to hurt your feelings and it looked like shit to them.
Yeah.
But it's kind of grown on me.
Yeah.
And
Now that Wimbledon white's the one behind you too, right?
well, yeah, the guy did the same deal. He didn't put enough
Okay.
dark, what would it be, cream color in it.
Yeah.
And it's too bright.
Yeah.
But that's what it was supposed to be.
So you can see the difference in that in the two.
Yeah, I mean,
And it's dramatic when you do that, because otherwise it looks pretty white, but
yeah, this is Wimbledon White. Can you see that?
yes.
That was the first quart that I got from him
Yeah.
to try it out.
And you did the jams and everything.
Right, I did the jams around the windshield, around the back window and all that. Well, come to find out, when I went and got the next 2 quarts to finish painting the car, that was Wimbledon White.
Yeah.
Do they look alike?
It's a dramatic difference, right?
Right.
This one actually looks like pistachio ice cream.
Right, pistachio, that's what
Yes,
it looks
sir.
like. I didn't think of that. But I mean, that's the 2 colors he mixed, and he didn't even apologize. So, you know, I get it here, and the reason I finished painting it this color, I got it here and I started painting this. Well, this is a little bit dark, I'm an old guy, and I kept thinking, well, that ain't white. Well, I got it all the way around to the other side. I run out of paint, then I realize I got somebody else over here. Is this white? No. This is Wimbledon White. That's Wimbledon White. So that, see the cream color in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very noticeable. And he says, I probably just put too much green in it, obviously. Well, he said, I'll redo the paint. Well, now I got to resand the whole car to redo the paint. So I wound up leaving it like this, and I'm kind of a little bit, I like it a little bit, but what I'm thinking about doing down the side here, I may make a stripe with yellow and then black outline it and taper it down to the front and turn it up at the front. Or if you look up the 61 Corvette, they got a scallop right in here. And I may do a scallop in here. And for you Yankees, that's scallop. But the crackers pronounce it scallop. So anyway, this is where I'm at, doing the front end. I'll do it next. Then I'm going to come in and put the headliner in, which I got back here. Then I'll put the glass in. So it's this process will really take off here in a few weeks.
Yeah, this is where it goes fast.
Yes, absolutely.
Nice.
And you notice the change where when you're doing the sand and you're underneath it, you don't see it. But now it's starting to work.
Right.
But anyway, till the next time.